Reviver. So today I'm going to be sharing with you my huge food haul, and we have Aldi's, Walmart, and Sam's. I tried to put them in order, but yeah, that didn't work out. I realized I had more bags over there, so yeah. And I don't know, even though the stove was not on, I didn't feel like getting a tray to put the stuff in, and I don't want nothing falling through the groove, so I just set that there. So we're gonna go in because I'm proud of myself. I told you guys I'm trying to make baby steps to getting this food thing right. We are currently pescatarian, and if you don't know what that means we eat seafood, fresh fish, salmons, haddocks, parlocks, flounders, scallops. We do crab legs, shellfish, all that stuff. Anything from the ocean, basically is considered a pescatarian diet. So this is what we have. So you will not see meat in this. We already have some fish in I think we got flounder, salmon, some shrimp, and cod in the freezer already. So yeah, it is that time again. So let me start from this area over here, and we are starting with basically Aldi's. I'm gonna kind of tell you where everything is from. So this is from Aldi's. We got bananas, some raisin bread. I can't remember if I tried this. I cannot find the Sun-Made raisin bread anymore in the red bag. Has any of y'all ever ate that? It is so bomb. It gives you like a lot of raisins. I can't find it. I don't know what's going on with that. So I have the raisin bread, my ginger ale. My baby's not feeling good, so definitely had to make sure we got that. Sweet potatoes, and instead of getting 2 bags of the big potatoes, I just got 1 sweet potato on one of these. Some mushrooms. We have some blueberries, some strawberries, and some blackberries. I told my hubby I want us to do some at least one smoothie once a day to get some vegetables and stuff in. I got some baby carrots. I have some mayo, my whipped topping when I make my mocha lattes. Yes, I will be drinking those. But I'm gonna tell you something. I did not get any like cookies or cakes or pies or anything. So that's a thumbs up in the right direction. But I can't let go of everything. You know what I'm saying? So now I have my buttermilk ranch. We love ranch. Like we love ranch like we breathe up in here. So, and then these wheat thins are so good. If you haven't tried them, from Aldi's, and they're only 98 cents a box. The bomb. These were 89 cents a box. This was like $2.79. Can't remember how much these was. I think these was like $1.89. The strawberries was what, $1.99. Blueberries was like $2.13. I think these was like $1.12 or something like that. Can't remember everything, but I know everything was really reasonable. I decided instead of the white sweet onions, I went with a red onion this time. I showed the baby carrots, and I haven't had their jasmine rice, but I got this, and this is like $5, so I wanted to try it, and we shall see how this rice turns out. And I said that we are going to, instead of getting any other like soda pops, whatever you want to call it, I want to have more juices, a variety of 100% juice. So I got the big juices, and I have, what is it, cranberry, 2 cranberry, 1 white grape, and a grape. Then because baby girl is sick, I got high pulp, 100% juice, and then they love pickles, so I have 4 of these for the girls. And I've actually been getting into indulging in those pickles, so that is a good thing because I'm a cookie sweet pie girl. And I got a regular pulp free juice, and y'all know I have to have this in my laundry, and I use it for so many of my cleaning products, and I have a lot of DIY cleaning products on the channel. If you have not seen them, go check those out. So I got those. Then over here we're going to be doing a lot of salad, so I got 2 bags of spinach. I also cooked that spinach, but for now that's enough. Literally, if y'all see the refrigerator, it is like blatantly empty. We have like literally not been going to the grocery store. We've been like buying things here and there to cook, and I'm like, no, we have to go to the grocery store. I don't want to, but let's just do it. So I have some goat cheese, which is sun-dried tomato blend, and I want to try that. Hubby loves blue cheese, so I got that. This is the best K-Cup coffee. Oh my gosh, if you have not tried this and you have a Keurig, the bomb. This was like $3 and something. You get 12 cups. So tasty. All I use is that, and then I use my creamer, which is over there. You guys will see it in a minute. I always have to have heavy whipping cream for some sort of sauce or something I'm making. I like to keep that on deck. I have 2 cream cheeses. These were on sale for 79 cents. I like to have my caramel corn cakes as a snack, and I also add a little bit of peanut butter to it. So if I want something sweet, I can do that. Then I got the regular. I never got the lightly salted, but I want to try this with some tuna and white cheddar like I do with my crackers. Sorry for the TV if y'all can hear it. Hold on. All right, so moving along, we're going into, oh, and this as well was from, oh, no, I was right. I don't know why it made me think it was from Aldi's. This as well was from Aldi, some sharp cheddar. They did not have my white aged Vermont cheddar. So we probably have to go back in a couple of days because they were out, okay? Got that. Don't judge me, judge yourself. I love this when I make my grilled cheese sandwiches. I love this too, but just it's sometimes you just want that different texture, different taste. Sorry, I'm going to do better and try to get better at that, but I got to have it. Then my hubby, this is his tart cherry juice. When he just sometimes have aches and pains in his legs and stuff. So we do the tart cherry juice. And we found out that tart cherry juice is also good for high blood pressure. And what else, babe? What did they say? Yeah, the main thing was high blood pressure. So if you have high blood pressure, look into the tart cherry juice. These little bottles are $5, y'all. Oh my gosh. But you don't have to drink it all at one time. You get like a little 8-ounce cup or whatever and, you know, guzzle some down, I guess, daily or something like that. So I guess if you buy 4 bottles, it should last you throughout the week. You get what I'm saying? Throughout the month or something like that. So yeah. Then I have my cottage cheese. I like cottage cheese, small and big curds. It doesn't matter. I like to mix that with a blend of, I'll take like some strawberries and I'll blend a little bit of the strawberries or puree them to make a sauce and then keep some chunky and eat it with this and a little bit of honey to sweeten it, or pineapples or peaches out the not the can, but the little cups, like the little cups that kids put in their lunch boxes. So yeah. Got that from Walmart. We love Nature Valley bars. I really love the peanut butter ones. And I think hubby likes the peanut butter one. But I had to get both because Rizzy can't eat nuts. So I end up doing the one with the regular. I like those too. Those are good. I shared a way to make a healthy little mini personal size like cobbler crunch, peach cobbler with this. And I'll probably share that again with you guys. So I got this. And this was like $5.98 for 30 bars. I wanted some Raisin Bran Crunch. That's the cereal that I indulge in when I'm trying to do a little bit better. And then we got the Honey Nut Cheerios. You can't go wrong with the Honey Nut Cheerios. I was glad I got these cheddar puffs from Walmart because the ones from Aldi's was like $2 something. And these was only like $1.78. So I was like, okay, cool. And y'all know, I switched over from using white sugar a while ago. And I've been using this organic Florida Crystals. And it's a raw cane sugar. And it is good. And you don't have to use as much of it. So usually we can get through a whole month with a bag of that. Excuse me. Rizzy loves this string cheese. This Frigo, however you say it, Frigo string cheese is her fave. The whole milk one, she loves it, loves it, loves it. Then I got these. It was $1.24 for 4, which was cheaper than... No, it wasn't cheaper than Aldi's because because it was 32 cents per one at Aldi's, and maybe it's about the same. But anywho, got these from Walmart. Got my white eggs from Walmart. Y'all know why I stopped using brown eggs. I got tired of seeing blood in them, and it was just too much, so I couldn't do it no more. So, here I also got some Munchos for the girls, and my hubby like to snack on these as well. For their lunch boxes, and the oranges usually are bomb at Sam's. I hope these are sweet. Sometimes we had hit or misses where they taste like water on the inside. They weren't even sweet at all, but hopefully these are good. It's weird because it was a lady and her little hover round coming up to him, telling me, I used to work at Sam's, and I'll tell you, these were so delicious, the best oranges you can get. I said, let's hope we get some good ones. She said, yeah, let's have our fingers crossed. So yeah. And then if we on a go and we just want to grab some juices for my husband and I, we got these, the bigger juices. And it is the grape, apple, and then the orange pineapple. And then for the girls to take to school or put in a lunchbox, we have the Apple Eve, and it has the fruit punch, apple juice, and berry. And these are all 100% juice, which is more than the Capri Suns because you get 40 and the Capri Suns are $6.98 and this was like $9.98. But you got to do better, and we try not to eat as much and do too much, so it is what it is. And I always have the Stacho nuts on deck. We all love the Stacho nuts. I got me a bag of snow crab, and this is from Sam's. I seen these, never seen them before. Asked my hubby, we was like, let's just try them. We don't know. It says Alaskan Wild Wings Buffalo Spice. we shall see. We might even eat them tonight, maybe with some fries or something. So one of the workers was in the aisle with the nuts talking to this lady, and then she started talking to me. She said, this is so freaking good. Has any of you tried these? And look at all the goodness that's in them. Almonds, pumpkin seeds, protein chocolatey chips, high protein granola, da 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 da. You see it. So if you haven't and you're interested, I'll tell you how those taste. Just stuff. I have to have stuff on deck for the craving, especially when time come. Oh my gosh, I'm not trying to revert back. I'm trying to do good. Then I have some olive oil. This is Naya's cheese of choice. She loves this cheese, and Rizzy loves the string cheese. Have to have my pecans. We got some fish sticks. We have some lightly salted cashews, some mozzarella sticks. Always on deck. Always on deck. Yeah. Oh, we probably can do those and those tonight as a quick meal. Okay, and then I don't know. Hubby said we tried this. I don't remember trying it, but it looks nice and thick. I was comparing it to the Dawn. This was only, and this is like 100 fluids. That's like 28 ounces away from a gallon. And this was $5.98. I was like, oh, because the one that we normally get is Dawn. And this is supposed to be compared to the one that we normally get is Dawn, and it's $9.98 for one. Okay, and it's not this big. I don't think we get this much. It might be like a third of this is taken off, and we paid almost $10. So I couldn't find the hand soap that was cheaper. Any hand soap that was cheaper on Amazon. So I went with my trusty Members Mark aloe vera soft hands hand soap that we use to refill our soap dispensers. And this is the remaining of my Aldi's haul. See, I did good. Lots of produce, guys. Now, I've been hearing a lot about the almond milk, so I wanted to try coconut milk. And I love coconut, so I'm going to see how that goes. They didn't have no sweet, like unsweetened. I guess it automatically has a sweetened taste to it. I don't know. I have no clue. Have you tried this one? Do you like it? Cucumbers, always a good snack with some ranch. And when you're eating seafood. Powdered sugar for my baking, some zucchini because I'm going to be eating that, making that and sauteing that with some onions or some goodness or something. I don't know. Some grapes. I didn't get a full bag, but just enough. My husband liked these. We tried these last time and he really liked these. He ate his, so I got him another one. Some semi-sweet morsels, because my thing is this. If I'm going to be doing better, I would rather make our sweet treats than to buy them processed from the store. If we got to taste for cookies or cakes or something like that, I'll just be making them. Even though I have before, but we had an abundance of stuff that was processed, plus I was making them. So I'm going to try to just stick to making our treats and sweets that we want. Naya requested some tomatoes, so I got tomatoes. I got 2 mangoes. These were like 84 cents. Rizzy wanted some celery, and we needed some peppers. And I also have 3 bottles of distilled water that I got from Walmart that is not up here. So I believe that is it. Oh, and my cup came. So that'll be another video to show you guys the cup. So this is my haul, and I hope I shared everything with you guys. I hope you guys enjoyed this. And guys, I'm trying to take it one step at a time, because yeah, your girl, oh yeah, I think I can do it though. I'm trying to get my mind together to do it. All right. Love you guys, and make sure if you're new to the channel that you subscribe and become a reviver and hit that notification bell, because your girl throws up videos randomly and you don't want to miss out. And also share the channel, thumbs up the video, and I will see you guys later, gators.